In this digital age, the unseen threats of the cyber world are as real as the keyboard under your fingers. Today, we pull back the curtain on the top 8 cybersecurity threats that are just a click away. First and foremost, we have phishing. This is the art of deception, where cybercriminals trick you into giving up sensitive information through seemingly harmless emails or websites. The rule of thumb here: think before you click. Second on the docket is ransomware. This is the digital equivalent of a hostage situation. Your files are encrypted, your access is denied, and a hefty ransom is demanded. With ransomware attacks skyrocketing, it's imperative to keep your data backed up and your guard up. Thirdly, we delve into DDoS attacks. These are the cyber equivalent of a traffic jam, overloading a website or network until it crashes, leaving legitimate users in the lurch. Fortify your online presence with top-notch security measures to avoid this digital pile-up. The fourth threat is a classic: malware. This is the bad guy of software that can infiltrate your devices, pilfer your data, and even puppeteer your systems. Keep your antivirus software on its toes and give a wide berth to any downloads that give off a whiff of suspicion. As we hit the halfway mark, we turn to social engineering. This is the sinister art of manipulating human psychology to trick individuals into coughing up sensitive information or performing unsanctioned actions. Trust your gut and always double-check before sharing personal information. Sixth, we have the insider threats, not always the work of a double agent, but often the result of an innocent mistake by an employee. Leaked confidential information or an accidental malware download can put an entire organization at risk. Education and access control are key here. Our seventh threat might sound like a contradiction, but it's crucial: penetration testing. This is where the good guys play bad to find the chinks in your cyber armor. Stay ahead of the game by patching up vulnerabilities before they become a cyber criminal's playground. Finally, we have IoT vulnerabilities. As we welcome more smart devices into our homes, we also open the door to cyber attackers. Weak passwords, out-of-date devices, and subpar security measures can turn your smart home into a hacker's dream. Beef up your defenses and keep your smart devices smart. To wrap up, cyber threats are an ever-evolving menace, keeping pace with our digital advancements. The first step to staying safe is staying informed. Remember, your online security is not just in the hands of your antivirus software, but in yours as well. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the shadowy world of cybersecurity. Thanks for tuning in.